The Leica Q series has always fascinated photographers around the world, sparking endless debates about whether to invest in the current model or wait for the next innovation. That debate has intensified as excitement builds for the rumored Leica Q4, following the success of the Q3. Known for its precision and elegance, Leica traditionally follows a 4-year release cycle, but whispers in the industry suggest that the Q4 might arrive earlier than expected. If true, it could mark one of the most exciting camera launches in Leica's modern history, blending timeless design with groundbreaking technology. When the original Leica Q was introduced in 2015, it completely changed perceptions of what a compact full-frame camera could be. Leica's unique combination of heritage craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology created a camera that felt both classic and futuristic. Featuring a fixed 28mm lens paired with a full-frame sensor, it prioritized simplicity and image quality over flexibility, quickly becoming a favorite among professional photographers and enthusiasts who craved Leica quality in a smaller, travel-friendly package. The Q series formula of premium build, iconic aesthetics, and pure shooting experience set a new benchmark in the industry. The Q2 followed in 2019, refining that formula with a 47-megapixel sensor, improved weather sealing, and upgraded ergonomics for a more comfortable shooting experience. Leica demonstrated that innovation doesn't always require revolution. Sometimes perfection is achieved through small, deliberate refinements. Then came the Q3 in 2023, pushing the boundaries even further with a 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, phase detection autofocus, and 8K video capability. This evolution bridged the gap between traditional still photography and professional-grade video, appealing to creators who demand both elegance and performance in one compact body. Now all attention turns to the Leica Q4, and expectations couldn't be higher. While Leica is known for its philosophy of refinement over reinvention, the rapidly evolving camera landscape might push it toward bolder changes this time. Leaks and early reports suggest the Q4 could feature a stacked CMOS sensor, a major upgrade that would deliver faster readout speeds, improved dynamic range, and minimal rolling shutter. This would position Leica's compact full-frame camera on the same level as high-end mirrorless giants like Sony and Canon, all while maintaining the unmistakable Leica shooting experience. This advanced sensor would also bring massive improvements to autofocus and video capabilities. Faster processing means smoother video performance, less lag, and quicker focus acquisition. Rumors suggest that Leica could introduce AI-powered subject recognition, advanced eye and animal tracking, and predictive autofocus algorithms that respond intelligently to movement. These enhancements would make the Q4 one of the most capable compact cameras for both professional and spontaneous shooting, from fast-moving street scenes to detailed portrait work. Video performance could also take a major leap forward. The Q3 impressed with 8K video, but its biggest limitation was overheating during extended recording sessions. With better heat management, the Q4 could allow for longer recording times and more stable performance. It may even introduce higher frame rate 4K recording for cinematic slow motion, transforming it into a truly hybrid camera for both photographers and filmmakers. With these features packed into Leica's signature minimalist body, the Q4 could easily challenge much larger, more complex systems. Low-light performance is another area expected to see improvement. The 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens already performs brilliantly in dim environments, but pairing it with a stacked sensor and improved processing engine could yield cleaner high ISO results, better color reproduction, and richer shadow details. For photographers who shoot in natural light or unpredictable environments, this could make the Q4 an unmatched companion for travel, street, and documentary work. Design-wise, Leica is expected to retain its minimalist identity, opting for subtle but meaningful refinements. Rumors suggest the Q4 might feature a slightly deeper grip for better handling, lighter materials for improved balance, and smarter button placement for intuitive control. These refinements might sound small, but they reflect Leica's attention to detail, where every tactile experience, from the click of the shutter to the rotation of the aperture ring, feels deliberate and satisfying. The electronic viewfinder could see one of the most exciting upgrades. The Q3's 5.76 million EVF set a high bar, but the Q4 may push it further to a 9.44 million display with faster refresh rates, offering an incredibly lifelike and lag-free experience. The rear display may also evolve from a tilting design to a fully articulating screen, a feature that would please vloggers and hybrid creators. Leica could also improve touchscreen sensitivity and streamline the interface for faster navigation and easier customization. Connectivity is another area ripe for modernization. With today's workflows demanding instant sharing and seamless control, the Q4 might include faster Wi-Fi, more reliable Bluetooth, and deeper integration with Leica's mobile apps. Enhanced tethering options could also make it a more powerful tool for professional studio work, enabling immediate previews and smoother collaboration between photographers and clients. When it comes to timing and pricing, speculation is at its peak. Based on Leica's historical cycle, Q in 2015, Q2 in 2019, and Q3 in 2023, the Q4 would likely arrive in 2027. However, many insiders believe Leica may accelerate its schedule, potentially releasing the Q4 as early as late 2026. Pricing is expected to match its premium status, with estimates ranging between $6,500 and $7,000. But for Leica owners, price has never been the deciding factor. It's about craftsmanship, prestige, and the unparalleled experience of shooting with a camera that feels like a work of art. If these rumors prove true, the Leica Q4 could set a new standard for compact full-frame cameras, combining Leica's signature design philosophy with state-of-the-art performance. A stack sensor, AI autofocus, improved stabilization, and next-level video features, it could become one of the most desirable cameras ever produced. It would appeal to both purists who value simplicity and modern creators who demand versatility and performance. Anticipation for the Q4 is building rapidly, and the photography world is eager to see how Leica evolves its most beloved series. Whether it arrives on schedule or ahead of expectations, one thing is certain: the Leica Q4 won't just be another upgrade. It could be a defining moment in the evolution of compact full-frame photography, reaffirming Leica's legacy of innovation, precision, and timeless craftsmanship that continues to inspire photographers across generations.